The always wise Pooh Bear said, "A day without a friend is like a pot without a single drop of honey left inside." I'm not actually that fond of honey, but I am a big believer in the power of friendship. Evidence suggests there are many emotional and physical health benefits to having friends, and the more people prioritise friendship, the happier and healthier they are. This is all well and good if you are naturally gregarious and find making friends easy. For some of us, it is difficult, and therefore the ability to notice those around you and include those on the periphery is an important skill. Being kind to others can make us feel good about ourselves. This week is Anti-Bullying Week, and the theme this year is Reach Out. Sadly, bullying affects millions of lives and can leave us feeling hopeless. One recent study found that 40% of young people have been bullied in the last 12 months. But it doesn't have to be this way. If we challenge it, we can change it. And it starts by reaching out. Whether it's in school, at home, in the community or online, we can reach out and show each other the support we need. So I would like everyone to make an effort this week to reach out to someone they know. Perhaps someone you don't usually spend time with but would like to get to know better, or someone you have noticed might be shy and might appreciate being included in a group, or someone who seems a bit down and needs to be cheered up. Anne Frank said, "How wonderful it is that no one has to wait, but can start right now to gradually change the world." It takes courage, but it can change lives. So this Anti-Bullying Week, let's come together and reach out to stop bullying.